Let's go over how to create start and end frames for videos in Kittl. We'll start with a product mockup of stacked hats. I want to create a scene where we start with a zoomed-in shot of the hat logo and zoom out to reveal the other 2 hats falling into place. Because I already have the shot of my 3 hats, I need to create a zoomed-in image. To create my second image, I'll select my image, open up Kittl's Remix tool in the bottom panel, and using a model like Nano Banana Pro, I can prompt my zoomed-in scene of the hat and generate it next to my original image. Now I have both my start and end frame to generate my video. I'll drag the cursor over our 2 images, and down in the prompt box, click on Generate Video. At this point, you can see which image is the start, or first frame, and which image is your end frame. The order of your frames can be changed by clicking the middle arrows, which will flip the order of your images. Think of your first frame as the beginning of your video, and the end frame as the very last thing in your video. So when prompting, you want to bridge the first and last scene together in a way that makes sense in terms of camera movement. And after my generation is done, you can see the final video where our first frame zooms out to reveal our final frame. There are other ways to generate video in Kittl, like connecting artboards to a video board together, which you can see in this example, and can achieve the same result. And for additional help, definitely check out the video templates feed, which I link down below. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.